Hi math lovers, Tim here from the Math Culture channel. Following the publishing of the Laws of Exponents tutorial and by popular demand, we will be solving the following exercises on the screen pertaining to these laws. The third exercise is a practical everyday problem. Stick around to the end of the tutorial to understand the bread mold problem. Yes, you heard right, bread. Now let's dive in. Example 1. It says simplify 5 raised to the power 6 all raised to the power 1 over 3. Here we'll be applying the power of a power rule. And that rule states that a raised to the power m all raised to the power n can be rewritten as a raised to the power m times n, which can also be written as a raised to the power mn. These and these are exactly the same. So now let's apply to the problem. 5 raised to the power 6 all raised to the power 1 over 3 can be rewritten as 5 raised to the power 6 times 1 over 3. If you resolve the exponents, this becomes 5 raised to the power 6 1 over 3. That is 3 goes into 6 2 times. So that is 5 raised to the power 2 times 1, same as 5 raised to the power 2, and that is definitely 5 times 5. And the final answer for that is 25. That was an easy one. Example 2. Here we'll be applying the quotient law, right? The quotient law states that a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n can be rewritten as a raised to the power m minus n. So the quotient law says that if you are dividing two quantities in which these quantities have the same base, all you need to do is to subtract the base of the one under from the base of the exponent, the exponent of the one under from the exponent of the one above. And that's why I'm having a raised to the power m minus n. Now let's apply this to the left-hand side of the problem that was given to us. So 2 raised to the power 6 divided by 2 raised to the power 5 becomes 2 raised to the power 6 minus 5. And that is equal to 2 raised to the power 1, which becomes 2. Now, let's tackle the right-hand side of the equation. 3 raised to the power 7 divided by 3 raised to the power 9. And that becomes 3 raised to the power 7 minus 9. That becomes 3 raised to the power minus 2, because 7 minus 9 is equal to minus 2. So the original equation or the original expression, this becomes 2 plus 3 raised to the power minus 2. Now, let's label this equation 1. We'll come back to equation 1. So now we need to resolve this, right? So 2 plus 3 raised to the power minus 2. So now let's resolve 3 raised to the power minus 2. We have a law that we will need to apply to this, and it's called the law of negative exponents, right? The law of negative exponents states that a raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 over a raised to the power m. If you don't understand how this came about, we have a comprehensive explanation of it in this tutorial. Please take a look, and you may come back to this after you have understood that tutorial. So 3 raised to the power minus 2, if you take a look at this and compare, it will become 1 over 3 raised to the power 2, which is equal to 1 divided by 9. So we go back to equation 1. So that becomes 2 plus 1 divided by 9. Now let's find the LCM of this. This is 9, right? So this becomes 18 plus 1. and that becomes 19 divided by 9. So the final expression or the final answer for this is 19 divided by 9. So let's go to the application problem. The application problem states, assuming the fungi population of a bread mold can be expressed by the equation P is equal to 8.124 times 10 raised to the power 5 times 10 raised to the power x, where x is the number of hours, P is equal to the fungal population. Calculate the population of the fungi after 2 hours and express your answer in millions. So the equation says P is equal to 8.124 times 10 raised to the power 5 times 10 raised to the power x. Remember, the question says you should find the population of the fungi after 2 hours. (8.124) times 10 raised to the power 5 plus x. If you do not remember the law that helps us to simplify this to this, it is called the product law. You may review it in this video. 8.124 times 10 raised to the power 2 plus 5 or 5 plus 2. Remember, we said after 2 hours. That's where this 2 came from, right? 8.124 times 10 raised to the power 7. Also, remember, the question told us to express our answer in millions. And millions, a million is this, right? Which is equal to 10 raised to the power 6. The equation or the final answer is this, 10 raised to the power 7. I can rewrite 10 raised to the power 7 as this, 10 raised to the power 1 plus 6, right? And that I can also rewrite as 10 raised to the power 1 times 10 raised to the power 6, right? Remember, 10 raised to the power 6 is million, right? So that means we can rewrite this as 10 times 1 million. So that's 8.124 times 10 is 81.24 million. That's actually a lot of mold that must have grown over the course of 2 hours. Little wonder they tell us to not eat bread once it starts growing mold. That's all I have for you guys for today. I have a take-home assignment for you. You need to try this take-home assignment to strengthen your ability to solve problems in algebra, okay? And also, before you go, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel if you have liked today's video. Also, share the video link with your friends and family. Turn on your notification to support the channel. See you next week. Bye-bye.